Have you ever tried Nellore Birayani? This is a place in Andhra Pradesh, but they have a unique flavor for the biryani. Today, I am showing you how to make secret recipe for Nellore Birayani. This recipe serves 6 to 7 guests. 1 kg of mutton, washed, cleaned, filled with water, 2 pieces of cardamom, 3 pieces of cloves, 1 piece of mace, 1 piece of cinnamon stick, 3 cloves sliced garlic, finely chopped ginger, a small piece, slit green chilies, 2 each, and onions sliced half, 2 tablespoons of salt. Simmer for 1.5 hours. If there is any dirt, scum it. When the mutton is soft and tender, keep it aside. Onto a pot, oil 1/4 cup. Half cup of clarified butter or ghee. 2 pieces of bay leaf. 1 piece of cinnamon stick. 2 pieces of star anise. 1 piece of mace. 5 pieces of cloves. 5 pieces of cardamom. Saute for a minute. Let the fragrance from the spices come out. Add sliced onion. 1. How to slice onions tips are available in my channel. Saute the onions. When the onions are soft, add 15 pieces of green chilies whole. Give a quick mix. 1 cup of chopped cilantro, 1 cup of mint leaves. Give a quick mix. Ginger garlic paste, half cup. How to make ginger garlic paste? Tips are available in my channel. Saute for a minute. Add 1 tomato chopped. Saute for 2 minutes. Add half cup of yogurt. Combine well. Add 2 cup of stock from the mutton we boiled before. Cook until the spices are cooked and the oil starts separating. Add 1 cup of finely diced pineapple. Combine well. Add 2 more cups of stock. Combine well. Squeeze fresh lemon juice. Add Nellore Birayani spice mix. The recipe is there in my channel. Bring to boil. Salt to taste. Simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. When the gravy is thick, add the mutton. Combine well. Let's make the rice. 4 cups of Basmati rice soaked for 30 minutes. Bring a big pot of water. Bay leaves, 6 pieces of cloves, 4 pieces of cardamom, 4 tablespoons of salt. Bring to boil. Few cilantro, few mint leaves. Add the soaked basmati rice to the boiling water. Give a quick mix. Just half cook the rice. Turn off the flame. Strain the rice. The sauce we made, it's thick. Add the basmati rice. Combine well. Get all the rice from the side. Turn down the flame to very, very low. Cover it and dum for 30 minutes. You will get a beautiful, fragrant, fluffy rice like this. Fluff the rice from the side, add half cup of ghee. This will make more soft, more beautiful flavor for the rice. The Nellore style biryani is ready. You already know, right? It's a way different combination of spices. It's the spice from the green chilies and the flavors and aroma from all the spices. Let's try it. Very beautiful. The mutton is so soft. Just melting it in your mouth. Wow. The rice are so good, beautifully cooked. The pineapple we added, it gives a biryani a very different, beautiful flavor. Wow. Very good. A must try biryani, very different flavor profile. In between, to clear taste buds, a biryani salsa, a unique biryani salsa from me. If you like this, please visit my channel for the recipe. So when you're enjoying and eat, don't miss out to subscribe my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. Bye. See you with a new video or a new recipe. This recipe, have you ever tried? What about this one? Have you tried? What about this one? Have you never tried it? Then what about this one? Just make sure you try it.